local sports e ko mbedi mo kura bi kura e bre ye bra e se bari ye wo bia no gotam kutu say de ne pa e bro from 30 so ye mo isiri mu nkan sim bia ye fabricate story bia wa ha story bia ba bia ne from original source and so you can face out we ye Kotoko we ye Hasofuku we ye bia no ba bi bia ra team bia support bia no ye be bo mo de anse ye benya ho nsem bari bia news no bia so no na ye dia bro ma so what de ko so
abusanfo ye mo bia kwa ba edeba Daakyehene Kwaku TV so enede ebre aso say ye de agokansi mu nsem ebre mo Daakyehene Kwaku TV so aha pure local sports aya fisem nko a na Daakyehene Kwaku bon tofa e Daakyehene Kwaku TV so ede ma na hefo ene na tifo nyina tentem so ye be hye se free kro bia kuma Asante Kotoko ma wura visa na otwetwa no Monday na mo beli wo coach Prosperity Ogum e baba Sports Stadium na coach de nsem bebre etudwa dear Prosperity Ogum Ekanyina say my first year is to put together a very formidable team that can compete both domestically and internationally. However, you can't be at Kotoko and not think of bringing success. I am overly excited and overwhelmed about this opportunity, and nothing else comes close. Probably the day I got married, but I have to say that I am excited to be here again. We worship Kotoko. We just don't support the team. If anyone said something and were not happy, please forgive and forget. If anyone did something and were not happy, please forgive and forget. The name of Asante Kotoko is paramount. Osanto also can say, every organization that wants to succeed does so on one condition: unity. I want everybody to come on board and let's pick the lesson and screen which one to repeat and which one to let go. And I am convinced that we can catch up with the LRLs. This is somewhere Prosperity Ogum editudwa ewo unveiling nase. Na place anei waje omo kwanse obi ankope team emo no eye makomako Duba kon ewo yewo Abdulrafiu Yakubu ewo Masola Jimai, Andrews Kwadwo Apau, Mohammed Al-Hassan, Solomon Safu Taylor, Samuel Boateng, Eneso Sepuku, Ivan Zadomako, Clinton Opoku, Chaso Usu, ena Dexon Afuakwa. We need players anei Prosperity Ogum ajo omo kwanse omo so nkope team bi emmo eno ne nsemo ifuroba. Na technical director ane we coach Kwasi Apia, former coach, and then also can some kakra after the unveiling, no. Also can say, I believe that Kotoko is a big team and everyone expects us to win. But the intention of the king, that is Otufo, is to give the coach free hands and build a team. The ambition is not for immediate success, but in 3 years' time. So we plead for your support. And so in someone, technical director, coach Kwasi Apia, and so the two. From unveiling national mukopi mo manhia na Otufo say to open so the same bebre etudwa do kan bi ni o say I am not impressed with the training pitch. I will build it and continue the container project and develop Adakwaje Art complex. I appointed the IMC myself. Some old players and top officials told me Ogum can do the work. Coach, take your time to build a team. Don't rush. I like Africa and League 30, but take your time and build a team. Leave the coach to have his own players so that if he fails, then attack him. If you are not ready to play Kotoko, leave now. Or if you are here because of money, then disgrace awaits you. IMC should not fear for sacking because I am not hesitant to sack anyone. Let's put away all that has transpired and let's concentrate on Kotoko now. And some more can say players confirm paid salaries including other technical staffs. And it's in some more opimiso edit to the players, you know, any technical team in a PM or nine watch, you know, team manager on say or any Brenyan so edin Sembi to an apartment be almost like I say the apartment will be able to house 48 players, which will afford us the opportunity to monitor them. Another apartment has been secured for coach and he has expressed his satisfaction with it. Let's say you hear location so from Salia, Alaji Salia Junction, upon a big apartment so kama yi para and so in some way if you over. Ghana midfielder Baba Idrisu has arrived in a city of Ameria to see a loan move to UD Amaria. And also in somewhere if you or several from the Kopimo Samatesa, almost ananse, or more a right back in the FN Samuel Tetemensa, our Mokofani free Tamayuf. A see also be Pimo FC Samatesa 2023-2024 season. Bihunu Samuel Mensa Tete, our Samates, I will see a can and then the oh. Ivans Aduma Konzo Kopimo, Grodos Acras of Folk, Phobia, and nay Ivans Aduma Konzo. Ako pim ewo House of Folk aswe no so ne nsemo ifro former House of Folk and Blaster goalkeeper Sami Ajay and they were joining Dreams FC as goalkeepers trainer and then Sami Ajay so the time akobo Dreams FC so anu honom and so ne nsemo a ifro ba o transfer and nsemo ne san ko pim o Krobia Kumasa Asante Kotoko and no monsa kan player bi efe Nana Benyin Amoa so abeka Krobia nsa na brand so the nsem kakra to dua do kan nyina say was a few weeks ago I never thought of being here. However, I have always wanted this opportunity to represent the club, and now that I have it, I am going to give my all to create a wonderful memory with my new teammates and make my family proud. And so someone Asante friend Nana Benyin Amoa and so Eddie Tuja or your left back and we have 3 years at the Amakrobia Kumasa Kotoko from Venomous Vipers. The one Asante Yensa Ekane Eddie Free yet to also transfer now when that's so Krobia. Asante friend Andrews in team Manu so Abeka Krobia Kumasa Kotoko nsa Asante so Eddie Nsa Besha Kontoya Azade Amakotoko. Also the same Biblia to Jado can say I am thrilled to be joining a club with such rich history. I know this means a lot for my family and myself to be representing the greatest club in Ghana and one of the best in Africa. And this one is Sema Andrews in team Manu Eddie Tuja and Melody in such a contract as the man Krobia Kumasa Asante Kotoko. Yet was one year to us so transfer na Yaya Dawuni so Krobia and Saka Brante Yaya Dawuni and so Abesane contract at the Ama Krobia Kumasa Asante Kotoko. Abrante so the same Tuja Dokan say I feel so happy to be here. Kotoko is my dream club and I'm honored to be part of this great family, to be able to don the iconic red jersey and also play in front of the loyal supporters at the Babayara Sports Stadium. And so in Samoa Yaya Dawuni and so Eddie Tuja after so on so then share contract as Eddie Makrobia Kumasa Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko have agreed a kit deal with a kit manufacturing company ahead of the upcoming season. The deal is just for season as both parties will consider a long-term deal at the end of the season. Also, Tufu has fully paid for new equipment for training. And so in Samoa, if you were by Memorial Visit for sponsorship on Globia Kumasa Koto set to sign a mouth-watering sponsorship deal with Newmont Ghana ahead of the 2023-2024 season. And so in Samoa, if you were by Kwaku Pimo, House of Folk Aswaya, House of Folk PRO or Parado, Eden Semka Kratu, Nanko for whom he said recruitment or more yeno. Or more board members need be will players or money to the team. No say no credit. It is never true. Any of the board members buying their own players for the club. We have technical directors behind the scene who are guiding us in our recruitment this season. And so in someone or PRO or Parado no at the two jar and so CAF Champions League Premier League round no abeto jar Midiama any Remo Stars or more Nigeria and the betting time so and so in someone if you want also by Evans upon my story, Adriana Star Communication Director, Eden Sambia to Jesse, over 50 coaches across the globe have applied for Adriana Star's coaching job. And so in Samoa, Opanino Zodia to Jamaya, confirm Midiama, as one now says, almost signed the forward, our Benjamin Bature from Kifesa, 3-year contract, and also the Cyber Secretary Amomo, and so in Samoa, if you were ever, your said the Preseason started, the Kotoko boys know the Z, the Humfafama, or more Eddie Egua Kwemwa. And yasem kitu akra pictures ne bi na etwa gunese Kotoko players no anibre abaye papa we na mai kopie the legend Daakyehene Ajay former Kotoko player or the same bebre to drive for Ogum second coming no asemo kan say Ogum is going to perform wonders with Kotoko. He has the experience, he is a teacher, he always try to teach the guys on the field of play, so I am very sure with his experience Kotoko is going to be great. And so Samoa Daakyehene Ajay and so Eddie Tuja and so ewo honom aha and a brave Daakyehene Kwaku kwan amodi mosi ewo Daakyehene Kwaku TV so obaso no nya subscribe ya wadawo ma betimi amia subscribe button so share video no send them afoforo no monten Samoa etwa go ewo sports mo Ghana chichiru. Until then, stay focused and stay blessed. I love you all. Bye bye.